Yeah. Okay. Good night, bro.
Good night, Bro Andy.
Okay. So in this night, we all about discuss about our project software management. Yeah, yesterday we have a task about developing the project charter, identifying and stakeholder. So in this night, we about discussing about that. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay. So it's take your time, yeah. Your turn first. Okay.
Okay. Uh, um, I'm the project manager for my project. My individual project is Fixavia. So it's a next generation virtual YouTuber for the artificial intelligence. So the name is Pixavia. P-A-H-E-V-E-A. The project name stands for Virtual, Interactive, and Expressive Entertainment Visual Idol Avatar. As the name suggests, it is focused on creating an immersive virtual personality that is highly interactive and expressive, representing the concept of digital entertainment. So, Pixavia leverages Google Gemini language model to for a virtual YouTuber, so known as VTuber. The AI technology will allow for intimate, personalized, and context-aware interaction with users, providing an unprecedented level interaction and entertainment. This will enable users to enjoy life like conversation, visual engagement, and first multimedia experience. Ah, the main objectives. The project aims to achieve the three key objectives. One, to make way to rail using AI-based solutions to provide emotional support to individuals like me, especially those going through difficult phases as breakup. And the last is to develop architecture and like virtual personality that can engage to user like human through natural language, NLP, interactive visual, and multimedia content. So we believe that Pixabay will represent the frontier of AI for virtual. Okay. So the date is 6 months from 1 October 2024 until February 1 February and 20 New Year's yeah, 20 2025. So it's 6 months or one semester for this. We are currently the initial phase and working building toward achieving our project milestones with this team frame. And I'm the project manager. I'm responsible for leading and managing this project. My role involves overseeing all stages of development, ensuring time delivery, managing the development team, and ensuring that we meet the project objectives effectively. And deliverable files like a desktop application that is executable across multi-platforms like Windows, Linux, or Android or iOS. So and user manual, yeah. So the good user can read and live to the models and LLM as larger language models. So the organization structure is there are development team like a project manager, software development, AI engineer, graphic designers, specialized in modeling like 2D and rigging, and SEA specialists, and the red team like cybersecurity time. Additionally, we will collaborate with Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and involve open source contributors to enhance the project. We will also really to hardware providers like um, Amazon. So to ensure smooth development and performance to the application. And the stakeholder stakeholders, like there is the people involved in the system, like development team before a project manager, software developers, AI engineer, graphic designers, STA, and security expert to Google Cloud Platform and open source contributors, tutors, and hardware providers. And there is affected system like users and the community. There are also industry affected system like tuber agencies and the entertainment industries, which may experience new trends and demands due to the innovation. Okay, thanks for attention, Bro Andy.
Okay, wow, so nice idea. It's a great idea, you know.
Okay,
It's okay.
I'm open to any questions. There is any question?
Okay, so your project name is Fixivia,
Yes.
virtual, interactive, and expressive entertainment visual idol avatar. Wow, keren. It's great. It's your project. It's take time 6 months, yeah.
Yes,
6 months.
6 months.
Okay. So I see in here your organization structure. You be a project manager and you have a software developer, software engineer, AI engineer, application designer, and also graphic designer. And also the stakeholder. Okay, so I think I want to ask some question. What are your biggest goals to develop Fixivia? Yeah.
Okay, I will answer what the biggest goals. So the biggest goals to develop Pixelania is I'm aims to bring animal character to life through AI, artificial intelligence, making them capable of interacting with users in real time, like human. Okay, is made the biggest goals.
Oh, so you want to make AI to animate to be a real life
Yes,
with your Fixia. Wow,
yes.
it's like a a future predict a future. So it's a nice idea. It's a great idea. Okay.
Okay, so there any question again?
Okay, I think it's enough because it's almost
Okay.
yeah. It's so full about your
So
info. Okay.
can you? I'm done uh, talking about my project. So can you describe about your activities, your project, so you can project character and the stakeholder.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Farid. So it's my turn. Yeah. So in this project, we'll do presentation about the project name, description, objective, the time, project manager, developers, organization structure, and also stakeholder. Okay, so let's we start about my project. So my project name is a zero C carbon trading system. Yeah, it's like a carbon system, but in apps, mobile apps. You want to develop this. Okay, this system is designed as a marketplace where company can buy and sell carbon emission and also carbon certificate by assigning monetary value to this carbon asset. We aim to create the strong financial and effective for business and also we want to reduce their carbon footprint. So we want to reduce the carbon emission and also to growth and sustainability the economic global. Yeah, in essence, we want to transform how entity from government to individual manage their emission carbon. So, and why our objective? Okay, our objective is to develop an application, the zero C system that enable business and organization to trade carbon emission efficiently. This will help drive and collective reduction in emission by linking sustainability to profitability. You know, Okay, so additionally, we aim to build a platform that track carbon emission price, profit news, update relate and the carbon market, and allow user by the companies government, even the individual, to manage their emission data and share complications. So we just not build for the government or the marketplace or the company, but it's for all people, the individual. They can track, they can know how to manage and the carbon emission right now. And we now talk about the timeline and develops. Our project is scheduled to start on July 1, 2025 and will run for exactly 1 year, concluding on July 1, 2026. So our planning is 1 year to build this app. So thus, during this period, we will deliver the following: a fully functional mobile and web application that facilitate carbon trading, and system that encourage community engagement around carbon reduction, a marketplace tracking system for carbon emission price and new update, and feature that enable user to track transaction, monitor compliance, and manage emission data. So me and my team take maybe 1 years to build these apps. So, and my organization structure team, there's some people. The first one is I'm to be a project manager, me myself. Okay, and I also have a system analyst. It's a Gen Junwei, and my software engineer is Hendian Muhammad Farid, and my application designer is Fahri Raihan Abdul Jamar, and my developer program Nasrin Shamini binti Saime. And also I have a software tester because we must test our software. Yeah, his name is Sky, and we have to echo quality assurance too. It's a Mr. Star. And let's we talk about our stakeholder. So in stakeholder, it's a two different side. The first one is the people involved in the system and the people affected by the system. So who is the involved in the system? Of course, it's my team. The person, my project manager, the system analyst, software engineer, developer program, software tester, even the quality assurance. And who people affected by the system? Of course, our user who download this application, our user who make these apps. For anything they use this app, of course, it's will use. And also, it's environmental NGS and market oversight organization can user. Okay, maybe it's a presentation about me. There's some question or anything.
Wow, that's 6 project. Okay. So your project is marketplace uh to reduce carbon, right?
Yeah, to reduce carbon emission.
Okay. Your project is 1 year.
Yeah,
Mobile application.
yeah, mobile application.
So I have one question.
Sure.
Um, if this application has been successfully developed, how do you plan to establish and maintain partnerships moving forward zero C carbon?
Okay, such a great question. How about we maintain the partnership moving forward the zero C platform? Okay, if this application successfully developed, we have a plan to establish the maintain our partnership moving for zero carbon. And the first one, initial partnership focus about the government. Why? Because government are the key in setting environmental regulation and carbon emission standard. By partnering with the government, of course, we have the regulatory bodies. We can ensure compliance and create seamless integration of our system with national carbon policy. And how we get the government? Of course, we will offer a solution that assists government in monitoring and regulating carbon emission, will demonstrate the benefit of using the zero C carbon to track emission data, helping government achieve national and international climate goals. And also, we take collaborate about the corporate entities and industry leader, and also environmental NGOs and advocacy groups. So we take the ongoing partnership maintenance, and we need the stakeholder to build our apps and stabilize that. So this is the plan we want to do to establish our apps, maybe like that.
Nice, very good.
if we're done about our discussion.
I think we can conclusion maybe. So your project is carbon C, right? Okay.
Right, right.
So your project is zero C carbon to deploy create marketplace and operates on the principles to reduce the carbon. So in application mobile application to 1 year.
Yeah, yeah, it's to reduce in 1 year to build these apps.
Okay, so there is system analyst, software engineer, application designer, developer, and there is testing like software tester and quality assurance in organization structure.
Yeah, I need that to build my apps and my team like that. Okay, it's already done.
Okay.
Okay, maybe it's our presentation about our task for software management project. Okay, thank you for all the attention and about the
Okay.
presentation.
Thank you, bro. Andiji.
Okay, okay, thank you, bro.
Okay. See you later.
Later. Okay.